Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. My Sarah is standing in a row. She is 29th from the front and 10th from the back. There are dash people in the row. So let's see. Let's assume that this is the front and this is the back of the line. So starting from here, there are 29 people. Her rank is 29th. Right, so she is at this place, so that must mean that she has 28 people in front of her. In front of her. It is also given that she is 10th from the back, so that must mean she is 10th from the back. So that must mean that there are 9 people behind her. 9 people behind her. So total, to count the total number of people, we know there are 28 people in front of her. She is one and 9 people at the back of her. So there are total number of people in row. So these are equal to 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 28 is 38. So we get total number of people in the row as 38. So the blank will be 38. There are 38 people in the row. This is the answer.